So guys, this is ThiEYE T5H 4K Wi-Fi action sport camera. So this one is a V50 version, Panasonic 34112 sensor, 14 megapixel, Full HD, 4K, voice remote control, 6-axis EIS stabilization, 2-inch IPS distortion correction screen, 60-meter waterproof support, time-lapse fast slow motion, and I think this camera is almost $100 plus. But this camera I think is kind of GoPro killer in the budget range. So let's start. So guys, here is the ThiEYE camera, and now you can see the description on the box, all the functions, some kind of basic description here is in the box. So here's some things in the box, charging cable, etc., tape, battery. This is a small battery, I think it will be enough for a few hours. And this is the waterproof case, this is a charging cable, and this is a buckle here. And the remote control, power, record and take picture, all the basic stuff here. And here's some cleaning cloth, not cleaning cloth, actually it's a pouch. This is a cleaning cloth. So anyway, it's look fine, all stuff comes out already. Anything more? Nothing. Something more, brochure, how to use it, quite thick booklet. That's all, that's it. So guys, here's the camera. If you can see, it's look identical as a GoPro, but let's open it, unlock it here and bring out. Yes. So this is just like identical, but I will make it, I want to really test. This is a power button, I guess. Let me open the front side, actually the front side black color, up, jack. Here's a press button, yeah, open will be from here, yeah. Come out from the other side like this, yes. So here is the real camera. It looks quite cute, honestly. The color black and with the orange kind of reddish, and behind the screen, touch screen I think, and memory card, micro USB port options here. So let's see, turn it on. Have quite some battery, I think. Oh, I have to put some battery first here. This is a mic option, both side, and down is for tripod, and down is for battery compartment. Here is the tripod area. Okay, so just insert the battery, lock it properly, tightly, check the sometime lock not proper and your camera won't be turned on. So yeah, let's turn on it. Okay, let's turn on, and here is very quick. I feel it's a bit quicker than some of other cameras I tested before. So far it's look okay because it's small LCD, we can't judge it here. Here is the small logo. And the power button is a glowing side on the blue screen. Looks nice. 4K small display here, as you can see. So the mode you can see here. So let's see some modes here. You can check all the modes here. I hope you can see clearly video resolution and all the other stuff. Change, select from the side buttons, up and down. Yeah. So guys, you can see the function, and if you want to skip this part, you just straight go to the 14 minutes. Start from the 14 minute. You can see the footage, the real camera footage in the 4K. I record in the 4K, but once I attach with this unboxing, it will change to full HD 60 frame. So hope you like it. So guys, here's all the functions here. I just try to show you everything right here. Hope you can see all how it's work. You can figure out, but I try to make it very long video for unboxing. I try my best to make all detail and it's look feel, but the next video will be for the test how the quality and result. So yeah, let's see. So let's start from here. If you see, I just from the table is like a kind of wide angle, so look, give you a fish eye style view. But this is EIS is on, so with the stable mode, and you can see just try to make it near the flower. I think it's quite actually the footage is 4K, but I changed to Full HD 60 frame now currently. So because I make it together with my review, so I have to lower down the quality from 4K to Full HD, but still you can see the quality, the view on 4K wide angle, and this is stabilization on, and after this footage it will be EIS off, so you can see when while I'm walking, and you can see here slightly kind of fisheye view, but for me I think it's not bad. In the budget camera is almost 120 currently, is the price is 120 or $30 around, depend on the seller. Okay, next footage is coming is EIS off, so the stabilization might be a bit shaky. Yeah,
So guys, here you can see that
you can
now
see here.
EAS is off, and here you can see the difference with EAS on and off. I'm walking almost in the same direction, same place, and here you can know more about the EAS, how does it works. Though the garden where I'm walking is not that smooth, but still I'm trying my best to keep it up. So here you can see I'm going to stop this again by using the remote.